Pan. Not sure what he's up to. Thought he was gonna go for a swim. But I guess he's just gonna chew on the hose. Apollo and Pan. That's Apollo playing on the Jazz. Get down. And taking on the hose again. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, he's got it. Oh, goof. Oh, he conquered the hose.